Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to do a little healthy cooking. I want to do some bodybuilding cooking. I used to do this a long time ago. I tell my son, before you were born. But so tonight I want to make a turkey burger meal. But when I was getting ready to make the meal, I thought, this is a really good way to buy the food, just, to make sure you have healthy food. So the first thing is turkey burger. So what I will do is I will fry some turkey burger in a little olive oil. It could be any kind of oil. It's really good, to tasting. Let me see if I can find my olive oil. Well, it's in here somewhere. But anyway, fry your turkey burger in a little oil. And then one of the things I stockpile is all different kinds of these packets when they're on sale. And then I will sprinkle it with a little taco seasoning. So I'll have some turkey burger with some taco seasoning. Then I'll make some brown rice. And you get 2 pans of brown rice for the same price as regular rice. And then I'll add a few black beans. And something occurred to me about the black beans. They give you beans, and a lot of times it's black beans at the food bank. And then I'll sprinkle a little cilantro in my black beans, and I'll rinse my black beans and and I'll add them to the cooked brown rice. But with the rest of the black beans, I will make some black bean burgers. And this is a good, if you have black beans from the food bank, this is a good recipe for the black bean burgers. And so you get the egg replacers at Walmart, and these are nice for avoiding running out of eggs. And also I add cilantro to the black bean burgers. And then you just, like salmon patties, you can season them with anything you want. I'll make those tomorrow. Mash them with a fork, drain them, rinse them, mash them with a fork, and then add the breadcrumbs. And I dice up, like, I actually have fresh mushrooms. But if I didn't, I could use canned. You don't have to have mushrooms if you don't have mushrooms. So then I'll have some peas. So this is going to be a good little meal. I'm going to have my meat, a nice healthy carb, and a vegetable. It could be any vegetable. And then, the cheapest tea is regular tea. So I'm going to start making some of these meals that were really kind of healthy but not expensive. And so that's what I'm going to make tonight. And then I have almonds, and I bought these for $1 at the 99-cent only. So I was telling my son, after I increased my my exercising enough so that it was actually a little bit tired, and for me that's totally unheard of. So that's good. If you're an insomniac, and you can get rid of your insomnia just by being a lot more active. Oh, and then tonight for my drink, I'll have a glass of soy milk to go with my healthy meal. So all of this stuff is not expensive. Nothing about this meal was expensive. Everything was, this was $2, $1, $1, $1, and $1. This would be good for kids. Okay, enough on that. Now I have one more thing. And God bless you all. I think, God is moving around on my station, you know, really helping people. Okay, so now for fruit. Okay, what you want to do is you want to buy these big cans. Fruit cocktail is best because it contains all the fruit. And I like to buy pears too, but I can't find pears right now because they don't have them at the Dollar Tree. You know, sometimes when you go to the food bank, they don't give you any fruit. And the thing you're apt to run out of is fruit, vegetables, and bread. So you can make big strides in protecting yourself from running out of fruit by buying these big cans. This is actually a big can of pineapple. And they have big cans of mandarin oranges for $1 too. I think the best thing is to buy an assortment and make sure you have this. You can put it in your tea, and then you know you're getting some vitamin C every day. And make your tea up, you know. That's just regular tea. I'm having that tonight. So, okay, if you're new to stockpiling, if you're running out of food, go to the food pantry 2-3 times a week. Do whatever you have to do. Go to that food pantry and get your food and stock your house up now before the price of food goes up. Don't be prideful. Don't worry about what the neighbors are thinking, because you know what the truth is about the neighbors? They don't really care. They have their own problems, you know? So, okay, I'm going to be back in a little while with some turkey meat meal. And this is good for, you know, somebody asked me, do I have any lunches? Yeah, this is a really good one. You can take some and you can put it in a container and you can eat it the next day for lunch. Okay, you guys, I'll be back.